Hello, thanks for tuning into the channel today. And the topic I'd like to discuss today is interest rates. I've had a lot of questions lately from my clients about whether I think interest rates are going to go down or if they're going to go up. And the truth is, nobody really has a crystal ball. Nobody really knows for sure, but maybe some perspective would help in the form of a history lesson. So everybody remembers Christopher Columbus. And if Christopher Columbus was alive today, he'd be like 573 years old. And if you could ask him, he would tell you. He's seen interest rates in the 3% range exactly once his entire lifetime. So if you're waiting for interest rates to go down in the 3% range before you buy your next home, I think you're going to be in for a really long wait. So hope that helps with a little bit of perspective. And the thing to keep in mind also is that when you're buying a home, you're not only just buying a home, you're buying the home, and you're also buying an interest rate. Unless you're paying cash for the home, you're buying a mortgage which comes with an interest rate. So the thing to remember is the purchase price of the home is fixed. Once you pay the price for the home, you can never go back and renegotiate that purchase price. However, when you get your mortgage, and if mortgage rates should happen to go down in the future, you can always refinance and get a better deal on your mortgage rate. So if you're waiting for interest rates to come down to purchase your home, another thing to keep in mind is that the time that you spend waiting to buy your new home, you could have had your family in the home, enjoying the new home, enjoying your new lifestyle, rather than just waiting on the sidelines for something that may or may not occur. Another thing to think about is also that interest rates and home prices move in opposite directions. In other words, should we see interest rates come down again in the future, you're going to see home prices explode like it happened before. You're going to have a lot more people that are able to afford homes, chasing fewer homes on the market, and that's going to cause prices to increase just like they did before. And you're going to be back into what we were before in bidding wars and paying way over asking price to get the home that you were trying to get just a little while ago. So while you're waiting for interest rates to come down, another thing to think about is home prices are probably going to increase in the future over the long term. Maybe in the short term they might go down a little bit, but over the long term they're going to go up. All you have to do is ask yourself, especially here in Florida, would you have rather purchased your home 5 years ago, or would you rather buy it today? If you would have purchased your home 5 years ago, you'd see a tremendous increase in value. So while you're waiting on the sidelines to purchase your new home, they're just going to get more expensive. So anyways, I hope that helps put things in perspective. I like to bring people useful information on my channel here, bring my clients some useful information that they can use in the housing market, and I hope you find that helpful. And if you are sitting on the sidelines, you need to ask yourself, what exactly are you waiting for? Let's get started. Give me a call. Thanks for watching. Talk again soon. Bye for now.